to Air Jordan to give the people what they wanted.
What up, YouTube? It's your boy Charlie Hustle. We got this another unboxing video here. This one we got is from Eastbay. See what it says, you know. We'll get into this, see what it is. For some reason my camera is focusing and I'm not trying to do that. Here we go. Get into this real quick. Y'all already see what the box is. You know what it is. Come on. Yeah, I'm getting beat up by a box. It's all good though. Here we go. Y'all see what the box is. So you pretty much already got a good idea what it is. Let's check it out though. There we go. You know, you got that nice, you know, Roman numero 6 paper. You got your white paper. And there you go is the shoe. Let's take this bad boy out. Put a quick review of it. Yup, you see the back. Nice and crispy, clean. You know, this leather like reminds me of a baseball glove or something. Alright though. It's your boy Charlie Hustle.